The process of making chocolate takes time and effort, and it's attention to detail to actually get a quality product. Belgian Delights has been around as a company since my parents immigrated on August 10, 1987. Here in Australia back in the late 80s, you couldn't get a nice chocolate or you bought the Belgian imported stuff. We are the third generation, my brother and myself. My granddad is a pastry chef, chocolatier back in Belgium, and then passed it on to my father. I'm super passionate about the whole process. We actually make our own chocolate from scratch, from sugar, cocoa mass, cocoa butter, to then create different flavours, different character profiles within that chocolate. Belgian Delights is a manufacturer of high-end chocolates for a variety of sectors, including hospitality, retail, restaurants, and then also direct-to-consumer. We've grown steadily for the last 3 decades. And over that process, extra challenges, how do we deal with space, new factories, but also in the office, running simple systems like MYOB and some spreadsheets and all that sort of stuff to manually taking orders on paper, and then, there comes points that you need to upgrade. We needed to streamline things. Back in 2007, we came across J-Curve and NetSuite. We haven't looked back since. At NetSuite, we use as a central database for us to draw from for different areas in our business. And that's not just in the accounting side of things, your banking and all that sort of stuff, but also our supply chain, punching in purchase orders, requests from the manufacturing guys, production guys. NetSuite will tell me when it's time to order, and it adapts as you go. NetSuite gives a great overview of our supply chain, which in turn gives us greater control of our cash flow and inventory. We can rely on the data, on the right information, not go off your gut feeling. NetSuite allows you to grow into the system. You can switch on the things that you need and that you want to use, but as you grow, you can then switch other things on to complement your business to help you streamline your operations. And that was one of the benefits of jumping on the system early on. We run all our nutritional information, ingredients, warning statements, and all that data is based in NetSuite and gets pulled out into our labelling software, but also that same data is presented on our website. So if I change something in NetSuite, everything else gets changed up. The future of Belgian Delights is the local cocoa brand. To use the local cocoa grown from up north, Queensland, gives us a unique flavour profile that you can't get anywhere else. Growing that, a sustainable, ethical, local cocoa product super excites me, and working with the local farmers and expanding the product range. Using NetSuite, launching a new brand like Local Cocoa direct to consumer, we're confident we can pull that off without any issues. As a business, we always have the best production facilities, the best equipment to make the chocolates and the best processes. But now we have a technology partner in NetSuite to do that in the office as well. We've been using NetSuite for 15 years now. There's always room for growth, and we're always pushing the boundaries. Having partners like NetSuite gives me total confidence for the future.